To scan a QR code using the Microsoft Authenticator app, begin by opening the app on your mobile device, and if you're setting up an account for the first time, select the option to add an account. For existing users, tap the plus icon to start the process of adding a new account. Next, you're going to choose the option to scan a QR code. The app will prompt you to allow access to your phone's camera. Once permission is granted, position your device's camera so that the QR code appears clearly within the frame. Now hold your phone steady as the app automatically detects and scans the QR code. This QR code is typically provided during the setup of the two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account or any other service linked to the Authenticator app. So when the code is successfully scanned, the app will link your account, enabling it to generate time-sensitive security codes for future logins. Now, in some cases, if your QR code is not being recognized, ensure that the code is not blurry, cropped, or obscured. You may also need to check that you're using the most up-to-date version of the app. You know, if scanning fails repeatedly, some services also offer a manual entry option using a secret key provided during the setup. I'm entering a tunnel right now, but anyway, leave a comment. Let me know if this helped. Everything I just said is in the description.